Where's Isaiah?
I don't know.
Where's Ellie? You're right there.
Yeah.
Hey, are you ready to make your first video?
Yeah.
All right, so you're gonna have to change, right? Because you have to do your videos like looking like a princess.
Yeah.
Do a little spin, Ellie, so you can transform. Spin, baby, spin.
Ooh.
It didn't work. You gotta do it faster.
Faster.
Faster, faster, faster. You transformed. You're a princess now. What's your name?
Princess Ellie.
Princess Ellie?
Welcome to my channel.
Guess what you're gonna do today?
What?
You are gonna try to guess what flavor candy I'm gonna give you. Can I give you some candy?
Sure.
Do you love candy?
I want the purple one.
You want purple candy? What's your favorite color?
Purple.
Purple. Can brother do it with you too?
Sure.
Okay, let's sit down.
Wow.
He scared me.
Come on, let's go do it.
Eliana, you can open your eyes. These are called PEEPS. Do you know what PEEPS are?
Oh, I love PEEPS.
Okay, you guys are not allowed to touch them yet. There's 4 different PEEPS on here, okay?
Should pick.
These are gonna cover your eyes so you can't see, okay?
I can still see it.
You can still see?
Yeah.
What's in front of you?
This.
Are you guys ready to taste
Yes.
test? So you smell it first. So there's one for Zaya. Here's one for Ellie. Smell it. What does it smell like?
Cookie.
It kind of smells like cotton candy.
Cotton candy?
Why is she looking this way?
Okay, take a bite.
Yay!
Is it good? What does it taste like?
Candy.
It tastes like cotton candy.
Ew! She don't like it.
You don't like it, Ellie?
Why'd you do that?
You like it, Zay? What do you guys think it is? Cotton candy?
Yes.
You guys are wrong.
I want the blue
What is it?
Confetti cake.
one. I can't see.
Here's one for Princess Ellie. And one for Zay. Take a smell. Take a smell.
Wow, I'm not a king.
Smell it.
Whoa. Wait, it smells really different.
Take a bite.
Wait, I know it's the pink and green one.
Okay, take a bite. It's the pink and green one?
Oh my god.
Hey, what's the sour?
Oh.
Is it sour?
Yeah.
Take a bite, sis.
Put it all in your mouth. Eat the whole birdie.
Oh my god, this is so gross.
Chocolate.
Those are chocolate eyes? Try it.
It's gross.
Okay, what do you guys think it is?
I'm gonna say with green apple.
Ellie, what do you think?
Good.
What does it taste like?
I don't like it.
Candy.
It's candy flavor? All right, it's blue raspberry.
Wait, it's the blue one?
Yup.
I'm good.
Here's one for Princess Ellie and Zaya. I'm just playing.
Princess.
All right, take a sniff.
I'm trying to see the color.
Smell it.
Is this red?
Does it smell good?
No.
Wait.
Tell Zay what color it is.
So what color it is?
No, you have to tell brother. Tell him what color it is.
Those are roses.
Ellie, tell me what color this is. What color is this?
Red.
Okay.
Let's smell it.
It smells like Kool-Aid.
Strawberries?
Sorry.
Fruit punch. Yeah, bite the head off. Bite the head.
Ah.
Bite the head. Bite the head. What color's left?
Green.
Okay.
There you go. Green.
It's pickles.
Pickles.
I just guessed.
Ellie loves pickles, huh, Ellie? Okay, take a bite, guys. Take a bite. Does it smell good?
Oh my.
Oh my god. Chocolate.
Take a big bite.
Oh, no.
Take a big bite, Ellie.
It's so gross.
It's so good. I love it.
Hey.
Take a bite, Elle.
Jolly Ranchers? Green Jolly Ranchers?
Nope.
That's so gross.
Is it that bad?
Yeah, that's bad.
It's sour watermelon.
Oh my god.
Ellie, do your biggest sour face. Oh, it's so sour. It's so sour. What about you, Zay?
So gross.
Sour face.
Okay. Oh my god. Where are my glasses?
What was your favorite?
Raspberry.
Tell me the colors.
Red.
Well, there's 2 different colors. Oh, you just ripped the eyes off the peeps, huh?
Okay. Red, then what?
Green. Hey, that's green. And blue.
Good job.
And what's inside the green?
What color is this?
Pink.
Good job.
Good job.
challenge.
Next challenge?
Yeah.
You're gonna do another one? What?
Which one? What do you want to
Put all of head.
do? What?
Pull off marshmallows.
You noodle. I'll eat those.
You'll eat them all?
Yeah.
How will you eat them?
Subscribe for new videos and click the yellow video if you want to see more of Ellie's Playtime.